Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, example 9. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in the board examination. So the question is, so that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if n is an odd positive integer. So the solution will be odd positive integer is of form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 or integer q. So we have the two cases. So case 1, we will take n is equals to 4q plus 1. So we will take n square minus 1 is equals to 4q plus 1 whole square minus 1, because we need to convert in the multiple of 8. So we have taken the square of n and we have subtracted minus 1. So n square minus 1 is equals to 4 4 the 16q square plus 4 2 the 8q plus 1 minus 1. So we will get 16q square plus 8q. So we will take common. 8 will be common. So 2q square plus q. So n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. So we will take case 2. So case 2, we will take n is equals to 4q plus 3. So again we need multiple of 8. So we will again square and minus 1. So 4q plus 3 square and minus 1. So this minus 1 we are taking so that we will get one number. So we will subtract from that. So n square minus 1 is equals to 16q square plus 4 2 is 8, 3 is 24q plus 9 minus 1. So we will get 16q square plus 24q plus 8. So 8 we will take common. 2q square plus 3q plus 1. So we are getting n square minus 1 is equals to 8 into 2q square plus 3q plus 1. So n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Hence, n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to resolve immediately. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in the board examination. That's all. Thank you.